When it comes to pufferfish, many people immediately think of a highly poisonous species dangerous to humans, yet hundreds of millions of tons are consumed each year. And yet, in Japan, pufferfish are not only caught in the wild, but are also successfully farmed in large offshore aquaculture farms. No longer following the familiar closed system model, these farms have introduced a unique semi-wild pufferfish farming method. So how exactly does the pufferfish farming industry operate in Japan? Let's find out together in today's video. About 3 to 7 days after hatching, the pufferfish fry are immediately transferred to specialized rearing tanks. Farmers use carefully filtered and sterilized natural seawater. The water must be clean, stable, and rich in oxygen to ensure the healthy growth of the young fish. After about 4 months of careful nurturing in nursery tanks, the young pufferfish begin the next stage of their journey, being transferred to the open sea. There, they are released into large, sturdy cages specially designed to withstand strong waves and completely prevent fish from escaping or being attacked by predators. Pufferfish are typically harvested between October and March each year, once they reach an average weight of 800 grams to 1.2 kilograms. At this stage, the fish offer high-quality meat and maintain a stable toxin level that meets food safety standards. Here, trained workers certified in pufferfish handling carefully make incisions along the fish's body and meticulously remove toxic internal organs such as the liver, ovaries, intestines, and skin. The most valuable part of the pufferfish is the dorsal muscle, known for its firm yet tender texture and its highest concentration of nutrients. If you found this video helpful and interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to join us on more exciting journeys of discovery. Amid the lush green hills of Spain, the endless stretches of vineyards stand as a powerful testament to the country's long-standing traditions and the unwavering work ethic of its people. With over 1 million hectares of vineyards, Spain proudly leads the world in both grape production and quality, playing a key role in the global wine industry, from the valleys of La Rioja to the vast plains of Priorat. Right now, let's take a journey with Knoll Farm to Spain and explore these juicy grape farms together. During harvest season, the skilled hands of farmers glide gently through the vine leaves, meticulously selecting grape clusters that are perfectly ripe, plump, evenly colored, and full of life. Each cluster is carefully cut by hand using shears and delicately placed into baskets, ensuring no damage is done and preserving the pure, original flavor bestowed by the earth and sky. The grapes are transported via a conveyor system directly into large holding tanks. With a processing capacity of up to 3,600 liters of grapes per hour, it significantly boosts output while maintaining absolute quality. Immediately after harvesting, the grapes are transported to the processing facility, where they begin the transformation journey from fresh fruit into premium products. After the crushing process is complete, the mixture of grape skins and juice is transferred through a specialized piping system that connects directly to fermentation tanks or intermediate storage vessels. With its closed-loop design and the use of low-pressure pumps or gentle screw pumps, the system ensures the mixture is moved smoothly and delicately. The tanks are also made of oak, with large capacities and integrated sensors to monitor temperature, pH levels, and sugar concentration. These features allow for precise adjustments of technical parameters to optimize the fermentation process. Each drop of wine is a story told through aroma, taste, and memory. In a world that moves ever faster, wine reminds us of the value of slowness, of care, and of heartfelt passion. It is not merely a beverage. It is the soul of the land and sky, lovingly preserved in every bottle.